So let's begin the award ceremony. The first category is Excellence. We make some noise. Can we put our hands together?
इसको ऊपर ही रहने दो, तुम लोग इसको दो नीचे से।
ऊपर ही Congratulations, sir. Congratulations to Sportal Corporate Private Limited, Haridwar. Next category is Innovation in Higher Education and Skills Enhancement 2025. And this award goes to IBM Career Education. Can we hear it for IBM Career Education? Congratulations, IBM. All right. Next award is Emerging Leader in Higher Education 2025. And the award goes to Dr. Vivek Devrat Singh, Associate Dean, School of Business Studies, Jigyasa University, Dehradun. Come on, let's hear a huge round of applause for School of Business Studies, Jigyasa University. Congratulations, sir. We have our next category, Outstanding Secondary School of the Year 2025, and the award goes to Tonesbridge School. Let's hear it for the Tonesbridge School. Come on, everyone. I would like to invite the representative from the Tonesbridge School. Okay, so they might have left. Moving on to our next category, Most Promising Skill Development and Training Institute 2025. And this award goes to GB Pant Institute of Hotel Management, Haldwani. Come on, let's hear it for GB Pant Institute of Hotel Management. We have our next category, Outstanding Institute in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2025. And the award goes to GB Institute of Technology, Dehradun. JB Institute of Technology, Dehradun. Come on, everyone, let's give a huge round of applause. JB Institute of Technology. Congratulations. Next category is Most Promising Engineering Institute 2025, and the award goes to Alpine Institute, Dehradun. Come on, give it up for Alpine Institute, everyone.
कर दिया इससे ऊपर वाला।
कौन सा? सारा बोला
ये
है
नहीं बोला।
अच्छा अच्छा, फार्मेसी वाला, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, मैं बोल देती हूँ।
तुम उधर देख लेना।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, मैं करती हूँ। Congratulations. Can we hear it for Alpine Institute, everyone? Next category is Most Emerging Pharmacy Institute 2025, and the award goes to JBIT College of Pharmacy, Dehradun. Come on everyone, let's hear it for JBIT College of Pharmacy. Moving further, our next category is Outstanding Principal of the Year 2025, and the award goes to Rupali Puri Principal, GD Goenka Public School, Rudrapur. यही तो है, देखो ये है, Most Promising Engineering Innovative हो गया, ये ना Outstanding Principal of the Year. यही तो है, मेरे पास जो लिस्ट है ना वही कर रही हूँ।
ये वाला
मैंने ये हो गया, innovative हो गया, इसके बाद मैं आगे बढ़ूँ। मैंने बीच में मिस किया था,
मेरे सिग्नल
Let's give it up for Rupali Puri ma'am, everyone. Next contract, outstanding principal of the year again 2025. पूजा वर्मा, ठीक है? पूजा वर्मा, लूसेंट इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, ठीक है? लूसेंट। यही है लिस्ट में, यही लिखा है। मैं कहाँ से पढ़ूँ? आप मुझे वो दे दो यार। Moving further, next category is Outstanding Principal of the Year 2025, Pooja Verma, Principal and Manager, Lucent International School, Dehradun. Come on everyone, let's give a huge round of applause for Pooja Verma ma'am. Congratulations ma'am.
लास्ट में ना टोन्स ब्रिज वाला है ना, वो आ गया, वो लास्ट में बोलना था।
Let's hear it once again for Pooja ma'am, everyone. Professor Dr. Atul Kaushik. Moving further, next category is Emerging Leader in Higher Education 2025. And this award goes to Professor Atul Kaushik, Associate Director, Research and Innovation, Sardar Bhagwan Singh University, Dehradun. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear a loud round of applause for our awardees. And now I would like to request the awardees to kindly stay on the stage. जो भी अभी awardees आ रहे हैं वो stage पे ही रहें, because we have a group photograph by the end of this category, these categories. वो है नहीं ना यहाँ पे, देखो खत्म हो गया। And we just got to know that
टेप हो रहा है, यहाँ से बोलते हैं, यहाँ से बोलते हैं, ये हो रहा है।
All right. So the next category is Outstanding Institute in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2025. And the award goes to Sri Guru Ram Rai University. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Sri Guru Ram Rai University. Congratulations to Sri Guru Ram Rai University. Congratulations to Sri Guru Ram Rai University. Outstanding Secondary School of the Year 2025, the Tonesbridge School. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, keep on having thunder of claps for Tonesbridge School. All right. Moving further, Outstanding Institute in Innovative Teaching and Learning Practices 2025. The award goes to Sri Guru Ram Rai University again. Okay, so this is the mention next. We are done with the award. All right. Thank you very much. So we are done with the award ceremonies. Thank you very much. So every awardee who has been felicitated, who has been awarded, I would like to request you to kindly join on the stage along with your certificates for a group photograph. Certificates and trophies, of course.
मुझे बता देते फिर ये लोग ना। अच्छा अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। सर ने मुझे यही बोला कि इसी सीक्वेंस में लगा हुआ है।
ठीक है, हो ही गया।
तो इससे बेटर तो मैं इसी से पढ़ लेती फिर।
Can we give them 3 cheers? Okay, once we get clicked all together. Let's give 3 cheers before you leave, guys. Hip hip! Hip hip, come on, come on, come on. Hip hip! Everyone, hip hip! And once again, hip hip! All right, congratulations to all the awardees. And now we are about to felicitate all our attendees who have joined us today. Professor Malvika Kandpal, Dean in Student Welfare, Sri Guru Ram Rai University. Malvika. Vimal, Dean, Research and Development, Graphic Era Hill University. Okay. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Next, Dr. Binay Kumar Singh, Dean, School of Engineer, DIT University.
कहाँ गया मालविका भी थी ना अनाउंस करूँगा नहीं
I think Malvika ma'am is not here. Malvika ma'am, if you are here, please join us. Dr. Binay Kumar Singh, congratulations. Next, Dr. Jyoti Saxena, Principal, College of Paramedical, Coir University. Dr. Jyoti Saxena, Principal, College of Paramedical, Coir University. After this, we have Dr. Shiv Mohan, Principal, Institute of Hotel Management. Can we hear a huge round of applause for everyone on the stage who's coming? Next, Professor K. Helen Rani, Dean Academics, Sri Swami Bhumanand College of Nursing, Haridwar. Professor K. Helen Rani, Dean Academics. Dr. Nishant Mishra, Dean, Student Welfare, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies. Dr. Nishant Mishra. After Nishant Mishra, we have Dr. Vinod Kumar, Principal, Government Degree College, Barkot. Dr. Vinod Kumar, Principal, Government Degree College, Barkot. So I think he couldn't join for today's session. Next. Okay, come on ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. I couldn't see him from the back side coming. Followed by Professor Meenakshi H. Verma, Dean, School of Liberal Arts, Jigyasa University. Come on everybody, let's give a huge round of applause for all the attendees. Meenakshi H. After this, G.R. Lakshmi. Followed by Professor G. Rama Lakshmi, Dean, College of Nursing, Sri Guru Ram Rai University.
ये अनम्यूट कर दो पहले उसके बाद उसके बाद
After this, we would like to invite Atika Gupta, Assistant Professor, Graphic Era Hill University. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, show some energy. Next up, Atika Gupta. VK Saini. Dr. VK Saini, Director, Haridwar University. A big round of applause for Dr. V.K. Saini, Director, Haridwar University. Followed by Mitesh Semwal, Director, the Renaissance Institute of Management, Dehradun. Mitesh Semwal, Director, the Renaissance Institute of Management, Dehradun. Next up, Dr. Arun Kumar Maurya, Principal, JBIT College of Pharmacy, Dehradun. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, this is the award ceremony. This is the session where we are acknowledging all of you. Kindly put your hands together for each other. Mitesh Semwal, Director, and Arun Kumar Maurya, Principal, JBIT College of Pharmacy, followed by Dr. Amit Agarwal, Director, Institute of Technology, Gopeshwar, Chamoli. Can we hear it for Dr. Amit Agarwal, Director, Institute of Technology, Gopeshwar, Chamoli. Next, I would like to invite Professor Manish Srivastav, Director, Quantum School of Business, Roorkee. Come on everyone, a huge round of applause. Professor Manish Srivastav, Director, Quantum School of Business, Roorkee. Then I would like to invite Professor Dean, Faculty of Legal Studies, Motherhood University. Come on everyone, please put your hands together. We have Professor Jai Shankar Prasad. इसके बाद हेमंत पाठक. Professor Hemant Pathak, Dean, Kanya Gurukul Kangri, deemed to be University, Haridwar. Namita. Next up, Namita Mamgai, Principal, BS Negi Mahila Pravidhik Prashikshar, Dehradun. Namita Mamgai, Principal, BS Negi Mahila Pravidhik Prashiksha, Dehradun. Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Principal, Government Degree College, Khadi, Tihri Garhwal. Dr. Kapil Kalra, Principal and Director, Alpine College of Management and Technology, Dehradun. Professor Sanjay Singh, Principal, Siddhartha Institute of Pharmacy. I request everybody to kindly wait because by the end of this session we have a group photography session also. Come on, let's hear it, everyone. Next up, Mailvanan Rasamani, Principal, College of Nursing, SIMS, Dehradun. Let's hear a huge round of applause.
ये ऊपर वाले 4 बोल दो, उसके बाद यहाँ से चलना है ऊपर वाले 4।
लेकिन इनके इंस्टीट्यूशन
सिर्फ नाम बोल, नाम ही बोल।
After this, Gurpreet Kohli. We would like to invite Gurpreet Kohli with a huge round of applause. Everybody, please. Shagun Jain. Shagun Jain, Principal, Shakumbri Public School, Chutmalpur, Uttarakhand.
अब तक यहीं पे रहो जब तक पूरा लिख देते।
Shagun Jain, ma'am. Oh, why so silent? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate yourself because you are shaping the future of our nation and we are appreciating your efforts. For joining us today, it's been a very, very knowledgeable and thoughtful day. Next, Anu Gupta, Principal, the Altus International School, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Come on. Please put your hands together, everyone. Rajan Sharma, Principal, Doon Public Academy, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Rajan Sharma, Principal, Doon Public Academy, Dehradun.
अजय कुमार डोगरा।
Invite Dr. Surbhidhar Kathet, Dean Management, Alpine Institute of Management and Technology, Dehradun.
इसमें एक्स्ट्रा नाम क्यों लिखा है?
Come on, everybody, please put your hands together. After this, I would like to invite Professor Hardwari Lal Mandoria, Director, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Institute of Technology, Tanakpur, Uttarakhand. Come on, everybody.
हरद्वारी लाल इसके बाद हाँ दे दो इसके बाद डॉक्टर संतोष कुमार क्या कर रखा है यार।
After this, Professor Santosh Kumar Verma, Principal, Quantum School of Health Sciences, Roorkee. Can we have a huge round of applause, everyone? You know, we have been sitting throughout the days and You know, when we are going to put our hands together, when we are applauding for each other, it is definitely going to burn our calories. Come on, keep on having thunder of claps, everyone.
अमिता शिल्पा
ये मिस हो गया वाला।
Dr. Sonia Gambhir, Dean, SGRR School of Management and Commerce Studies, Dehradun. Come on, everybody.
ठीक है संतोष कुमार वर्मा
Dr. Amita Shilpa, Principal, Graphic Era College of Nursing, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Give it up for Dr. Amita Shilpa.
मैं भूल जा रही हूँ ये था
सुशील कुमार पे आओ।
संतोष कुमार है अब इसमें मैं
ये
सीरीज से
सुशील,
चल रही
यहाँ
हूँ
से
ना
चलो ना सुशील कुमार।
आप मुझे दे दो ये दे दो मैं इससे पढ़ूँ
Next up, Mr. Sushil Kumar, Dean of Students, KL Polytechnic, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. Engineer Sushil Kumar.
अब मुझे उसी में से पढ़वा दो जाओ जाओ सर देंगे
Now let's give a huge round of applause for Dr. Jyoti Saxena, Vice Principal, Kingston Imperial Institute of Technology and Science, Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
इसमें इन्होंने जो लिखा है ना मैं इससे चल रही थी ना फ्लो से अब इसमें आगे पीछे करा हुआ तो इसी से पढ़ूँ
वैसे ही किलो से लगे हुए हैं।
Dr. Jyoti Saxena.
ये ना उसको लगा के इसको। रुको, 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 रुको।
तभी तो कह रही हूँ
ठीक है, पकड़ के करते हैं।
Dr. Lalit Kumar, Registrar, Guru Nanak College, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Dr. Lalit Kumar. Let's hear it for Dr. Lalit Kumar, everyone. Dr. Chetna Pokhriyal, Dean, School of Languages, Doon University, Dehradun. Let's hear it for Dr. Chetna Pokhriyal. Professor Pushpa Negi, Principal, Government Postgraduate College, New Tehri, Uttarakhand. Come on, let's hear it for Professor Pushpa Negi. Pushpa Negi. Can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? Followed by Dr. Adarsh Pant, Director, GB Pant Institute of Hotel Management, Haldwani. Dr. Adarsh Pant. Next up, I would like to invite Professor Umesh Chandra Gairola, Campus Director, Dr. BGR Campus, Pauri, Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University, Uttarakhand. Come on, let's give a huge and a loud round of applause. Dr. Ashish Unyal, Registrar, Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna, Uttarakhand Medical Education University, Dehradun. Dr. S.S. Gusai, Principal, Sai College of Pharmacy, Dehradun. सो देहरादून वाले जितने भी हमारे यहाँ पर फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं, जितने भी हमारे एजुकेशनिस्ट्स हैं, आई थिंक रेनी वेदर इज़ supposedly making you feel like, you know, sleepy and all that. You seem quite out of the function. Come on, let's give it up for everybody who is joining in. Dr. Hechal Park, Dean, JW College of Future Studies, Wusong University, Korea. Dr. Hechal Park. Hari Maul Azad, Registrar NIT Uttarakhand, Srinagar. Come on, we have Hari Maul Azad. Then I would like to invite Rahul Kondial, Director Marketing, Jigyasa University, Dehradun. Rahul Kondial, sir. Followed by Professor Manmohan Gupta, Dean Academics, Ras Bihari Bose Subharti University, Dehradun. Professor Manmohan Gupta. Also, I would like to make a kind request to each and everyone to be here with all of us because we have a group photography session by Rohit, Dean, School of Management, Doon University, Dehradun. Professor H.C. Purohit. Professor Prabhat Dwivedi, Principal, Government Degree College, Chinyali, Saur. Professor Prabhat Dwivedi, Principal, Government Degree College, Chinyali, Saur. Rupali Puri, Principal, GD Goenka Public School, Rudrapur. Can we hear it for Rupali Puri, ma'am? R.S. Pamar, Principal, Hope Way Public School, Dehradun. R.S. Pamar, Principal, Hope Way Public School, Dehradun. Dr. Pragya Upadhyay, Principal, St. Annie's School, Dehradun. Dr. Pragya Upadhyay, Principal, St. Annie's School, Dehradun. So I can see many of the people are leaving. I know you have time constraints, but kindly stay with us for few more time, for much more minutes. We have few more minutes to go, and we will be completed with this ceremony. Dr. Deep Shikha, Principal, Himalayan Public School, Doiwala, Uttarakhand. We have a group photography session by the end. Dr. Arindam Mohanta, Principal, Darshan Academy, Rudrapur. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Dr. Arindam Mohanta. Dr. Naveen Singhal, Dean, Alumni Relations, Chief Proctor, DIT University. Dr. Naveen Singhal. Dr. Ram Anand, Principal, Pine Hall School, Dehradun. Dr. Ram Anand. Zeba Parveen, Founder Director, Zeba International School, Founder Director, Zeba International Education of Scholar Birds, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Let's hear it for Zeba Parveen. Gauri Neelakantan Mehta, Director, Purple Umbrella, Delhi. Gauri Neelakantan Mehta, Director, Purple Umbrella, Delhi. Piyush Rawat, Principal, Kingston Public School, Dehradun. Mr. Piyush Rawat. Professor Vishant Kumar, Dean and Registrar, JB Institute of Technology, Dehradun. Professor Vishant Kumar. Dr. P.K. Chaudhary, Director, JB Institute of Technology, Dehradun. Dr. P.K. Chaudhary. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the felicitation part. Let's hear it for each other and inviting each and everyone on the stage along with their certificates for a group photograph.